How long can humans exist on Earth? Is there a chance to evolve to a third-level civilization? In the previous video, we speculated about human development in the next 1 million years. However, the evolution of civilization cannot be so smooth sailing. So what disasters could lead to the extinction of humanity? A meteorite impact. Stephen Hawking once emphasized, meteorite impacts pose the greatest threat to humanity. Only immigration to outer space. Humans can survive forever, because in the history of the Earth, the probability of a meteorite event that wiped out the dinosaurs happening again is almost equal to 100%. The Ashwood collision that took place in 1994. The collision lasted for several days. The largest impact created a 12,000 kilometer wide impact crater on Jupiter's surface. There is also a mushroom cloud 7,500 kilometers high. The impact unleashed the power of 21 Hiroshima atomic bombs. Imagine if these pieces hit the ground. What a devastating disaster it will cause. So can current humans prevent meteorite impacts? Although we can detect asteroids and meteorite fragments near Earth in advance, but it's very difficult to stop. Then use a missile to destroy him? Unfortunately, with the technology currently available to humans, missiles can't even catch up. So here's if the meteorite event that wiped out the dinosaurs happened again, humans have no choice but to wait for death, unless we have reached a level 2 civilization or higher before then to survive. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, the energy produced by nuclear fusion inside a star pushes the entire star outward to expand. When the hydrogen fuel at the center of the star is exhausted, the hydrogen in the star's outer layer continues to undergo nuclear fusion. The force pushing the entire star outward becomes stronger, causing the star to expand hundreds of times. The original stars at this time are called red giants. When the red giant's outer layers run out of fuel, the outward thrust of the star collapses completely. Only the inward pull remains. Everything in the outer layers is being pulled towards the core. This speed can even reach 1/4 the speed of light. These high-velocity materials collide violently with the core. It will cause an unimaginably huge explosion. This phenomenon is called a supernova explosion. The shock wave of the explosion would have ejected stellar material into space, produces light that can illuminate entire galaxies, and they're emitting incredible gamma rays. The energy of these ray leopards is very powerful. It could even destroy life on planets 3,000 light-years away. According to scientists' estimates, the Sun will become a red giant in about 5 billion years. It expands to 250 times its original size, expand into Saturn's orbit. The Earth will also be completely swallowed by the Sun. Unfortunately, the real time left for humans may not be so long, because our neighborhood could soon be going supernova. According to scientists' observations located more than 600 light-years from Earth, Shenshu Temple has evolved into a tacit understanding of life. He was huge. The radius is approximately equal to the distance from the Sun to Jupiter. It's about 20 times the mass of the Sun. This star could go supernova at any time. October 2019. The brightness of Shenshu Temple suddenly dropped. It caused a panic among the scientists. They once thought that Shenshu Temple had started a supernova explosion. But fortunately in 2020, his brightness returned to normal again. But we can't sit back and relax, because Shenshu Temple is in an unstable state. When he will explode is completely unpredictable. Maybe 1 million, maybe 100,000, maybe tomorrow. Once the Shenshu Temple superstar explodes, his light and burst of rays will hit the Earth and the sky. There will be a huge blue sun. This phenomenon will continue for months or even years, and the gamma rays that will follow will hit the Earth. The ozone layer was instantly destroyed. Living things, including humans, will be destroyed. 3 alien strikes according to the law of the dark forest proposed in the 3-body problem. Earth is like a dark forest. Civilization is a hunter with a gun. You conceal yourself if he finds another life. It is impossible to determine whether the other party poses a threat to you. Only one thing he can do, shoot and destroy it. Civilization that easily exposes itself will be wiped out. Advanced civilizations in the universe understand this. They are trying their best to hide themselves. It's a low-level civilization like the Earth that somehow sends signals out into space all the time. Behavior may eventually be discovered and destroyed by other civilizations. That's based on a paper published in the scientific journal Nature in 2021. 29 planets outside our solar system that can receive radio signals from Earth. 4. the Earth is likely to have been discovered by other civilizations and still be safe and sound at this point. Perhaps human civilization is too low level, no threat to other civilizations. If in the distant future, humans can really use stellar energy to evolve into a second level or even third level civilization, then we may soon be destroyed. Population plummets even without a meteorite or supernova event. Humans may also gradually go negative. American zoologist Calhoun conducted an experiment on mice in a biological chamber. Experiments have shown that the number of animals will always reach a certain peak and then stop growing, then gradually decrease. It's going to zero. This is the famous cosmic experiment 25. Many people believe that the results of this terrifying experiment may herald the future of human society. Although we cannot simply compare humans and mice, but the same trend has emerged in modern society. So can humans survive 1 million years? Can it reach a third-level civilization? In addition to protecting against the threat of natural disasters, it also depends on whether our own human will can survive continuous